guests, and welcome back to the Rodgers House. And today I'm participating in an open collab called Baby It's Cold Outside, hosted by the Daughters of Destiny, Gigi Faison for the Love of Decor, Shawni on the Spot, Debby Bubbles, and Lady Cinnamon. And I will link their channel information down in my description box so that you can go over to see what these phenomenal creators have created to inspire you. And so today I am going to be showing you how to use your leftover turkey. We had smoked turkey, so I'm going to be doing a little Tex-Mex smoked turkey chili Felecia style. So let's get into the video. So guys, as you can see, here are my ingredients. I have the chopped up smoked turkey. I am using chicken stock because it's a little bit thicker than broth. I am using that Birdeyes Southwestern Corn. It is from the frozen section. I'm using 2 cans of Great Northern beans, 1 can of black beans. I'm using butter, and then you'll see I have some Pico de gallo, onions, bell peppers, cilantro, and tomato. And you'll see me putting that in the pot as well. I have the Mexican style blend cheese and the Parmesan cheese just because we love Parmesan. Okay, and so I'm adding the EVOO and the butter, and then you'll see me putting in the chicken. You'll see me adding these ingredients as we go along. I'm not going to bore you with, oh, now I'm adding this and now I'm adding that. You'll see what I'm doing, and then it just comes into a full pot. Then you let it simmer for like 15 minutes and So you can see that I have got everything going. It's simmering, and while that's simmering, I am jumping in and making us 2 cups of spiced tea, and you'll see me stirring the spiced tea with a honey stirrer. That I picked those honey stirrers up from, I think, Marshall's. And the spiced tea, I am going to show you how to make it. I did show you how I did prepare it as a little food gift for like your office mates or close friends, but I will actually show you how to make that and leave the recipe down in the description box. It won't be in this video, but it'll be an upcoming video. So here we go. You'll see how I plated everything. So let's eat. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making it, and this is my go-to. I always make like some sort of chili, like a ground turkey grilled chicken. Now this is my recipe of the smoked turkey chili, and so I'll leave my recipe down in the description box so that you can try it and tell me what you think of it after you make it. So once again, thank you guys so much for joining me. I appreciate it. If you are new to the channel, welcome, and I hope you'll consider becoming a guest of the Rodgers House. And if you are a returning guest, thank you so much for all your love and support. I truly do appreciate it. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I've uploaded more videos. And I want to thank you all for visiting the Rodgers House.